In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize button styles in a Mailchimp email. Let's start right inside your Mailchimp account. Make sure you're logged in and on your dashboard so everything we do is applied to the right place. From here, head to the Campaigns section. This is where all of your emails live, whether they're drafts or active campaigns, so it's the perfect place to manage design changes. Open the specific email you want to edit by selecting the campaign and choosing Design Email. This takes you into the email builder, where you can work on the layout and content. If your email already has a button, great. You'll see it as a button block in your layout. If not, make sure a button block is part of your design so you can follow along. Click directly on the button block you want to edit. When you select it, a settings panel appears on the side of the editor. This panel controls how the button looks and behaves. You'll be focusing on the visual settings so your button stands out in a way that matches your brand and encourages clicks. In the settings panel, look for the Style section, sometimes labeled Button Style. This is where you'll find all the key appearance controls grouped together so you can make consistent changes without hunting around. Think of it as the button's wardrobe. Colors, borders, and corners all live here. Now, change the button color to match your brand or campaign theme. Use the background color setting to update the button's fill color. Choose something that contrasts well with your email's background so the button is obvious and easy to spot. Then, set the text color for the button label. Make sure it's readable against the fill color. High contrast improves accessibility and click-through rates. If you have brand hex codes, you can enter them directly for precise results. You can fine-tune the look with a few optional settings. Border color lets you add definition around the button, which can help on lighter backgrounds. Border width controls how bold that outline appears. Thin for a subtle frame, thicker for a more graphic style. Rounded corners adjust the button's shape. Small radii keep it modern and crisp, while larger radii create a softer, pill-shaped button. Aim for consistency with the rest of your design, so the button feels intentional, not random. As you adjust these options, keep your call to action text short and actionable, like Get Started or Shop Now, and make sure the colors support that message. When you're happy with the look, your button is ready to shine in your email.